In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect MetaMask to Solflare. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect MetaMask to Solflare if you already have a portfolio and an account set up, or if you are signing up to use it for the first time. So to start, if you already have an account set up with assets and you would like to connect it to MetaMask, follow the instructions here first. Alternatively, skip ahead if this is your first time using Solflare. When you access your portfolio, click or tap on your icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you will see your wallets. Now, choose the specific wallet that you will be connecting to MetaMask and access more options regarding it. So, once you find the specific account, tap on these three dots here. By tapping on the three dots regarding that wallet, you will see a bunch of options, and what you have to do is use the export private key option. With this private key, you will be able to import that account into MetaMask. Now, it is very important that you never share this private key. As you can see, they even give you a warning. Never share your private key. Anyone that has it can gain full control of your wallet. Our support team will never ask for it, so keep that in mind. When you are copying this, don't share it with anyone. So copy this private key. And now you can import it into MetaMask. Once you click the show option, it might ask for double verification. So it might send you an email. It might ask for your password, verify that you are the owner of the account. And once that is done, and you finally have access to the key with the key copied, go to MetaMask. And in here, choose your account at the top. Then double check your account. Click these three dots at the right side, and then you will find the option to import account. Make sure that you select private key in the account type, and then paste the private key that you copied from Solflare. Alternatively, if you have never used it before, look for the onboard page on the Solflare website, choose the option to continue with MetaMask at the bottom, and then follow the instructions on screen. It will detect the MetaMask extension that you have, and you will be able to connect the Solflare wallet. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect MetaMask to Solflare. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.